Alright, what's up guys? So I already brought the frame, the subframe, rear sets, and a couple other parts to the local paint shop and getting it powder coated like a dark space gray, which I'm super excited about. It's going to be metallic as well, so it has the little sparkles in it. And in the meantime, I'm going to get to work on this engine so that once we get the frame back, we can throw this back in and start putting the bike back together. Alright, what's going on guys? So I completely primed the engine. I made a whole intro before this, but instead of this silver, I think I'm going to go with this dark gray as the prime, because I'm going to be doing a two-tone, so all of the cases are going to be black, and I feel like this is just a little bit too light that it's going to throw off the contrast between the black and this, as well as the frame is going to be a pretty dark gray. So I want it to be a little bit different, but also like cohesive, and I feel like this brightness is just gonna be a little bit too much. So I'm going to take off everything I prepped so far and just go paint the whole thing gray, and then I'll go back over the cases in black. So let's get into it. So I got the engine painted in this darker gray. I didn't worry too much about the covers because those are going to be black. So now that the core of the engine is all in this gray, I'm going to work on taping it off so that I can paint all the cases black. And then yeah, we'll go from there. I think the gray looks a lot better than the silver. I think it's going to go really well. So yeah, I'm definitely glad that I went with the gray instead of the silver. So yeah, let's start taping everything off, and then we'll get back to painting. All right, what's going on, guys? So it's finally reveal time. All done painting for the black and gray part. I am gonna add this high heat clear coat once I take all this plastic off, just because like if you do scratch this paint, it will come off. So this clear coat should add a bit of a covering, so protect from damage and stuff like that. All right, let's get this paper off and see how she looks. All right, what's up, guys? So I got all of the paper off, and now I'm just gonna hit it with this high heat finish, and then we're all done. So let's get to it.